In a cozy little town, there lived a charming Shih Tzu named Coco. Coco was born into a loving family and brought immense joy to everyone around. From the moment he opened his eyes, it was evident that Coco was destined to lead a remarkable life. As a puppy, Coco was full of curiosity and energy. He would frolic around the backyard, chasing butterflies and pouncing on fallen leaves. His playful nature endeared him to his human family, who showered him with endless affection and attention. Coco quickly became the heart and soul of the household. As Coco grew older, he developed a deep bond with his human siblings. They would spend hours playing fetch, going on long walks, and cuddling together on the couch. Coco's loyalty and gentle nature made him the perfect companion for his family, who cherished every moment they spent with him. One day, a new adventure beckoned. Coco's family decided to move to a bustling city, filled with tall buildings and exciting sights. At first, Coco was a little unsure of his new surroundings. The noisy streets and fast-paced lifestyle were quite different from the peaceful town he was used to. But with his family by his side, Coco adapted quickly and embraced the city life. Coco soon discovered the joy of exploring new places. His family took him to parks, where he would make friends with other dogs and enjoy chasing squirrels. He even became a local celebrity, as people couldn't resist his adorable face and wagging tail. Coco's family took pride in their furry friend's popularity and introduced him to new experiences, like attending dog shows and participating in agility competitions. But life wasn't always a walk in the park for Coco. He faced challenges along the way, including an illness that required surgery. It was a difficult time for everyone, but Coco's unwavering spirit and the love of his family helped him through the tough moments. With proper care and attention, Coco made a full recovery and emerged even stronger than before. As the years passed, Coco aged gracefully. His once vibrant fur turned a gentle shade of gray, and he moved a little slower than he used to. However, his spirit remained unchanged. Coco continued to bring happiness to those around him, teaching his human family valuable lessons about love, resilience, and the importance of living in the present moment. In his golden years, Coco enjoyed a peaceful life, surrounded by the love and warmth of his family. They created special memories together, from leisurely strolls in the park to cozy evenings snuggled up by the fireplace. Coco's presence brought solace and comfort to his family, and his legacy as a loyal and gentle companion would forever be etched in their hearts. With his loved ones by his side, Coco peacefully crossed the Rainbow Bridge, leaving behind a lifetime of cherished memories. Though he was no longer physically present. On average, a Shih Tzu's height ranges from 8 to 11 inches, 20 to 28 centimeters, at the shoulder. As for weight, adult Shih Tzus typically weigh between 9 to 16 pounds, 4 to 7 kilograms. Regarding their lifetime, Shih Tzus generally have a lifespan of 10 to 16 years. However, it's important to note that individual dogs may vary, and factors such as genetics, diet, exercise, and overall health care can influence their longevity. Proper care, regular veterinary checkups, and a loving environment can help ensure a Shih Tzu leads a healthy and fulfilling life. Raising a dog requires time, effort, patience, and a lot of love. Here are some essential tips on how to raise a dog. Prepare your home. Before bringing your new dog home, make sure your living space is safe and dog-proof. Remove any hazardous items or plants that could be harmful to your furry friend. Set up a cozy sleeping area, provide food and water bowls, and gather necessary supplies such as toys, grooming tools, and a leash. Provide proper nutrition. Feed your dog a balanced diet appropriate for their age, size, and breed. Consult with a veterinarian to determine the best food options and portion sizes for your dog. Make sure your dog has access to fresh water at all times. Establish a routine. Dogs thrive on routine and consistency. Create a daily schedule for feeding, exercise, potty breaks, and playtime. This will help your dog feel secure and develop good habits. Socialize your dog. Expose your dog to different people, animals, and environments from an early age. This will help them develop social skills, reduce anxiety, and become well-adjusted. Enroll in puppy socialization classes and gradually introduce your dog to new experiences. Train with positive reinforcement. Use positive reinforcement techniques, such as rewards, praise, and treats, to train your dog. Teach basic commands like sit, stay, come, and leash walking. Be patient and consistent in your training efforts. Exercise and play. Dogs need regular exercise to maintain their physical and mental well-being. Take your dog for daily walks, provide opportunities for playtime and interactive toys, and engage in activities that match your dog's energy level and breed requirements. Provide mental stimulation. Keep your dog mentally stimulated with puzzle toys, interactive games, and training sessions. Mental stimulation helps prevent boredom and destructive behavior. Regular veterinary care. Schedule regular checkups with a veterinarian for vaccinations, health checkups, and preventive care such as parasite control. Follow their advice on vaccinations, spaying/neutering, and any specific health concerns related to your dog's breed. Grooming and hygiene. Regularly groom your dog by brushing their coat, trimming nails, cleaning ears, and brushing teeth. This helps maintain their overall health and prevents issues such as matting or dental problems. Shower love and attention. Dogs are social animals and crave human companionship. Spend quality time with your dog, shower them with love, praise, and attention. Create a strong bond through cuddles, belly rubs, and gentle play. Remember, each dog is unique, and it's important to adapt your approach based on their individual needs and personality. Building a strong and loving relationship with your dog is key to raising a happy and well-behaved companion. A Shih Tzu's diet typically consists of a balanced combination of commercial dog food, fresh ingredients, and occasional treats. Here are some guidelines for what a Shih Tzu can eat. High-quality dog food. Choose a premium dog food that is specifically formulated for small breeds or for all life stages. Look for brands that list real meat as the main ingredient and avoid foods with excessive fillers, artificial additives, or byproducts. Consult with your veterinarian for recommendations based on your dog's age, size, and any specific dietary needs. Fresh protein. Include lean meats like chicken, turkey, beef, or fish in your dog's diet. Make sure the meat is cooked thoroughly, without any seasoning, bones, or skin. Protein is essential for muscle development and overall health. Healthy carbohydrates. Provide complex carbohydrates such as brown rice, sweet potatoes, or whole grains in moderation. These can provide energy and necessary nutrients. Avoid feeding your dog foods that contain wheat, corn, or soy, as some dogs may have allergies or sensitivities to these ingredients. Fruits and vegetables. Offer small amounts of dog-safe fruits and vegetables as healthy snacks. Some suitable options include apples, without seeds, carrots, blueberries, and green beans. Avoid feeding toxic foods like grapes, raisins, onions, and garlic. Dairy products. Shih Tzus may be lactose intolerant, so it's best to avoid dairy products. However, small amounts of plain yogurt or cottage cheese can be given. Occasionally if your dog tolerates them well. Water. Fresh, clean water should be available to your Shih Tzu at all times. Ensure the water bowl is regularly refilled and kept clean. Remember that portion sizes and feeding frequency will depend on your dog's age, weight, activity level, and individual metabolism. It's crucial to consult with your veterinarian to determine the appropriate portion sizes and feeding schedule for your Shih Tzu to maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, avoid feeding your dog harmful or toxic foods like chocolate, caffeine, alcohol, onions, garlic, grapes, raisins, or artificial sweeteners, as they can be dangerous to dogs. Always monitor your dog's weight, appetite, and overall health, and adjust their diet as necessary with guidance from your veterinarian. Understanding a dog's emotions, such as happiness or sadness, can be a little challenging since they communicate primarily through body language and behavior. However, there are some signs you can look for to get an idea of your Shih Tzu's emotional state. Tail wagging. A wagging tail is often a sign of happiness and excitement. If your Shih Tzu's tail is held high and wagging vigorously, it's usually a positive indication. However, keep in mind that a tucked or low-hanging tail could signal fear or anxiety. Relaxed body posture. When a Shih Tzu is feeling content and relaxed, they typically have a loose and wiggly body. Their muscles are not tense, and their movements are fluid. They may lie down with their legs stretched out or on their side, exposing their belly. Bright and alert eyes. Happy Shih Tzus tend to have bright, clear eyes. Their eyes will be wide open, and they may gaze at you with interest and attention. Conversely, if their eyes appear dull, squinty, or show signs of avoidance, it could indicate discomfort or sadness. Playfulness and engagement. A happy Shih Tzu will show enthusiasm for playtime and engage in interactive activities. They may initiate play, bring you toys, or eagerly respond to your invitations to play. They'll exhibit energy, bounce around, and have a generally upbeat demeanor. Appetite and eating habits. A healthy, happy Shih Tzu will typically have a good appetite and enjoy mealtime. They will eagerly approach their food, eat with enthusiasm, and finish their meals without any signs of reluctance or loss of appetite. Affection and bonding. Shih Tzus are known for their affectionate nature. A happy Shih Tzu will seek out physical contact, enjoy cuddling, and show affection towards their family members. They may lean against you, lick your face, or wag their tail when they see you. On the other hand, signs that may indicate sadness or distress in a Shih Tzu include decreased activity and lethargy. If your Shih Tzu is unusually inactive, lacks interest in playtime, or spends more time sleeping and resting than usual, it could be a sign of sadness or discomfort. Loss of appetite or changes in eating habits. A decrease in appetite, refusal to eat, or sudden changes in eating habits may indicate a potential health issue or emotional distress. Excessive whining or whimpering. If your Shih Tzu is whining, whimpering, or vocalizing more than usual, it could be a sign of discomfort, anxiety, or sadness. Avoidance or withdrawal. If your Shih Tzu becomes unusually withdrawn, hides, or avoids interaction, it may indicate that they are feeling sad or stressed. Changes in body language. A sad Shih Tzu may exhibit a slumped posture, lowered head, or a tucked tail. Their movements may become slow and hesitant, and they may avoid eye contact. Shih Tzus, like any other breed of dog, can be susceptible to certain health conditions. While not all Shih Tzus will experience these diseases, it's essential to be aware of potential health issues that can affect them. Some common health conditions in Shih Tzus include brachycephalic airway syndrome. Shih Tzus have a brachycephalic, short-nosed, facial structure, which can lead to breathing difficulties. They may experience issues such as snoring, snorting, and difficulty breathing, especially in hot or humid weather. Dental problems. Shih Tzus are prone to dental issues, including tooth decay, gum disease, and tooth loss. Regular dental care, including teeth brushing and professional cleanings, is important to maintain their oral health. Patellar luxation. This condition involves the dislocation of the kneecap, leading to lameness and difficulty in walking. It can range from mild to severe and may require surgical intervention in severe cases. Eye problems. Shih Tzus are prone to various eye conditions, including progressive retinal atrophy, PRA, cataracts, dry eye, keratoconjunctivitis sicca, and corneal ulcers. Regular eye examinations and proper eye care are crucial to monitor and manage these conditions. Allergies. Shih Tzus can develop allergies to various environmental factors, such as pollen, dust mites, or certain foods. Allergies can cause itching, skin irritation, and other discomforts. Identifying and avoiding allergens, along with veterinary guidance, can help manage allergic reactions. Intervertebral disc disease, IVDD. Shih Tzus may be prone to IVDD, which involves the degeneration or herniation of spinal discs. This condition can cause pain, mobility issues, and even paralysis. Prompt veterinary attention is essential for diagnosis and treatment. Renal, kidney disease. Shih Tzus may be at an increased risk of developing kidney-related conditions, such as renal dysplasia or kidney stones. Regular checkups, a balanced diet, and monitoring of urinary health can help manage these conditions. Liver shunts. Shih Tzus can be predisposed to portosystemic shunts, a condition where the blood flow bypasses the liver. This can lead to poor liver function and related symptoms such as stunted growth, neurological issues, and poor appetite. Most of the diseases commonly seen in Shih Tzus are not directly contagious to humans. However, some conditions can potentially have zoonotic implications, meaning they can be transmitted between animals and humans. Here are a few examples. Allergies. While humans can have allergies to the same environmental factors that may affect Shih Tzus, such as pollen or dust mites, the specific allergies themselves are not contagious between species. Dental problems. Dental issues in Shih Tzus, such as tooth decay or gum disease, are not contagious to humans. However, it's worth noting that good dental hygiene practices, such as regular brushing, can help prevent certain oral health issues that can be shared with humans, such as the accumulation of plaque and tartar. Eye problems. Shih Tzus may be prone to certain eye conditions, but these conditions are not directly contagious to humans. However, some eye conditions, such as conjunctivitis, pink eye, can be contagious between dogs and humans. If your Shih Tzu has an eye infection, it's always a good idea to practice good hygiene and wash your hands thoroughly after handling your dog or administering eye medication. Parasitic infections. Some parasitic infections that can affect Shih Tzus, such as fleas, ticks, or intestinal parasites like roundworms or hookworms, can also affect humans. It's important to keep your dog protected from parasites and regularly deworm them to minimize the risk of transmission to humans. The treatment of diseases in Shih Tzus will depend on the specific condition they are experiencing. It is essential to consult with a veterinarian for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment plan. Here are some general approaches to treating common health issues in Shih Tzus. Medications. Many diseases can be managed or treated with medications. This may include antibiotics for bacterial infections, anti-inflammatory drugs for pain and inflammation, antihistamines for allergies, or specific medications targeting the underlying cause of the condition. Surgery. In cases such as patellar luxation or intervertebral disc disease, IVDD, surgical intervention may be necessary. Surgery can help realign the kneecap or relieve pressure on the spinal cord, depending on the condition. Your veterinarian will evaluate the severity of the issue and determine if surgery is the best course of action. Dietary changes. Some health conditions, like kidney disease or food allergies, may require dietary modifications. Your veterinarian may recommend a specific diet that supports the management of the condition, such as a low-protein or hypoallergenic diet. Dental care. Dental problems in Shih Tzus, such as tooth decay or gum disease, may require professional dental cleaning and potential extractions. Regular teeth brushing at home is also important to maintain good oral hygiene. Eye treatments. Eye conditions in Shih Tzus may require specific eye drops, ointments, or medications to manage the symptoms and treat the underlying cause. This could include treatments for conditions like dry eye infections or corneal ulcers. Parasite control. Preventive measures and appropriate medications are essential to control and treat external parasites like fleas and ticks, as well as internal parasites like roundworms or hookworms. Your veterinarian will prescribe the appropriate medications and advise on preventive measures. Lifestyle adjustments. Some health conditions, such as brachycephalic airway syndrome, may benefit from lifestyle adjustments. This can include avoiding hot or humid environments, providing ample shade and fresh water, and avoiding activities that can cause excessive exertion or stress on the dog's breathing. It's important to follow the veterinarian's instructions regarding medications, dosage, and any additional care requirements. Regular follow-up visits and ongoing communication with your veterinarian will help monitor progress, adjust treatment plans if needed, and ensure the best possible care for your Shih Tzu.